Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we're going to be making the space racing game. First, let's create a new project, and let's delete a costume and make a small circle. And I'm gonna use the color of white and no outline. Then center it. Center, yes. And then if we go to stage, we want to make the background black. And also, I'm gonna make the ball 10 by 10. Well, maybe this is a good size. And as you see, if you look at it, it's a little bit cut off. So if we make another square with no outline and no fill, all that cut, it's gone. Now when green flag is clicked, we want to forever wait 0.1 seconds, create a limit. Actually, maybe 0.3. And also, when green flag is clicked, we want to go to front layer. And then we also need to have side. This is for this one only. Set side to pick random 1 to 2. And then when I start out as a clone, we want to show, and we also want to hide here. And if side equals 1, go to X negative 240, and then Y pick random negative 180 to 180. And then we want to repeat until X position equals 240, and we want to change X by 2. And then we will delete this clone. And we can duplicate this, put this at the end, but instead we change this to side 2, change this to 240, change this to negative 240, and change this to negative 2. And now if you see, so there's random dots coming everywhere. And now let's code our rocket ship. As you see, they're actually getting a little stuck on the side. So select this car. If you go side 2, go to 1040, pick random negative 80, repeat until X equals X position As you see, I don't know why this is not working. This should be working, but there's also something else we can do. We can play in a forever loop here. And then another forever loop here. And then when we start out as a clone, wait until not touch engage. And then we want to wait until touch engage. And then delete this clone. Now if we run it, should work the same. Yes, now to the sides, they're always deleting themselves now. And now we can code our rocket ship. We can choose a sprite, rocket, and we want rocket ship E to be here. And when green flag is clicked, switch costume to rocket ship E, set score 1. So player 1 score, this is a 2-player game, to 0, and then set Y velocity, which is going to be a new variable. Also, this has to be for the sprite only, YV. Is it also set YV to 0 forever? Also, so as you see on the start of mine, they're first gone, and then now they fade. So to do that, we need to do set goes back to 100. Also, this position needs to be -50 and 1 -140. And then the size is going to be 30. And also, what I like to do is delete these little white speck things. I like mine without the clouds. And as you see, there's no more of that little white stuff. And now, forever, we also have to wait 1 second. Repeat 10. Change ghost effect by 10. Change ghost effect by -10. And then now it's time to code the movement. Change YV by up arrow. And without And we're not doing down arrow because all we can do is move forward. So keep up arrow pressed, set YV to YV times 0.9. And then we want to change Y by YV. And also, if touching edge, go to -50 and -140 and change score 1 by 1. And then if we duplicate this and take with the score 1, if touching sprite 1, which is the little black thing, then we want to go back and don't change the points. And when green flag is clicked, forever, if up arrow pressed, then we want to repeat for with 0.05 next cost, and before that next constant, and if else switch to rocket ship E. This is how it's gonna look. And now all we have to do is just duplicate it, change this to 50, change this to 50, change this to 50, change this to W, and also change this to W. That should be it. See? Oh yeah, also, we make a new variable called score to 2. Change score 2 by. And I also want to show them. Put them here. And if you double click them, they're going to become really big. And then and here we want to set score 2 to 0. And we also want to make paint. This is going to be the timer. So when green flag is clicked, go to 0 and line -180. Now we need to do the pen extension. Erase all. Set pen color to all the way white. And then set pen size to 5, and then pen down, repeat 90, change Y by 2. And before we can test it again, we can paint, and we have to make this line. Outline is 4, and we want 6. Oops. And it has and Also, I forgot this is not thin enough. This should be 12 and a little bit shorter, like 206 should be. They're perfect, just like that. 6 by 206. And then to code it will be pretty easy. Then you can crack as clicked. Forever. Move Y. Change Y by negative 0.1. When green fog is clicked. Oh, also we can put this right in there. Drag it. Then it'll pop here. We're gonna be using this, and then replace the clone with stop all. And now, if we play the full round. Oh yeah, I also forgot to position it, which is gonna be 100. Why 100? Yes, now we can start. And I'm just gonna wait until the timer ends. I might just play a little. And as you see, the timer is almost over. Just like 10 more seconds. And then the timer's almost done. And once it touches the edge, it's gonna end. There. That's how the game ends. And this is the end of today's video.